This video will introduce you the usage of the software's top toolbar. After creating a case, there is a row of tools at the top of the software. The first tool can generate a patient health report. By clicking on New button, doctors can write symptoms and treatment plans based on the patient's condition. Here are some presets for common cases to choose from. After selecting the tooth number, it is also available to capture a screenshot of the patient's 3D tooth data. Finally, you can choose the corresponding treatment plan and leave signature. The second tool allows users to send software feedback to our development center. You can write down the feedback, and by clicking Send, we will receive a record of the scanning process and log. Additionally, it supports attaching files. The third tool is used for capturing screenshots and recording the screen. The fourth tool displays the scanner's connection status using a scanner icon. The fifth tool displays the server connection status. After you send the order data, you can also check the sending history of orders. Thanks for watching this video.